In the previous video, we added a Squid DSM that is not included in the original list that QRadar CE comes with. And we were parsing the events fine, but we want to see more granularity. For example, we would like to have a custom property here that is the URL. Well, you can do that, and certainly I have made videos that show you how you do that. There's a link to a PDF in the video description of all my videos that takes you the list of all the to a PDF that has the links to all those subjects. But you know, most of the time you won't have to do that. If you actually go to if you Google X-Force Exchange, you're going to be taken to this site, which has like kind of an app store. Almost everything in here is free. You may need a subscription with a product that this thing integrates with, but the apps, almost all of them are free. So if you go click here in this sandwich or hamburger, whatever you want to call it, and select App Exchange, notice that they are, if I select here in this filter for QRadar, there are 209 apps. I'm going to go into more detail what these apps are. But you can see here that you can filter further by the category of the app. You can see the list in here, or the content type, whether I want reports, whether I want, you know, log sources, rules, whatever, right? Now, if I search here for Squid, hit enter, it finds one app. And if we actually, you can see the details of it, and it says that it has custom properties, and that's what I want. I want to get, you know, URL and all these fields extracted into properties that I can play with on the searches, on the rules and fire offenses, and do all that good stuff. Because that parser, as we saw, was actually pretty basic. So I'm going to log in with my credentials, and I'm going to download that. You may need to register yourself. These things are free, but you need to register, and then this button becomes blue. So let me actually log in to download that. So I just log in, and this thing turned blue. So I can click download, and this is going to put a copy of it in my browser, in the download directory. We can actually go here and see it in there, right? That zip file. Well, I'm going to show you how trivial it is to add that to QRadar. So you go back to the admin tab and look for this icon, extension management, the puzzle one. And then you simply add that. You point it into your browser to where you have that. Actually downloads, my bad. Here it is. You click open. I'm going to select install immediately. Click add. This is going to take a few minutes. I'm pausing the video until that is done. I click install here. And we are done. Now let's actually go back to our log activity tab where we were, and actually return to the event list and look at these events again. It's actually okay. This is what I wanted. Notice that we have all these additional custom properties like file name, custom method, URL, host URL, domain, all those things, right? And that's an example of a very simple app that add custom extensions. You don't have to play with regex and do, you know, expand the parser yourself. Somebody has done it for you. But I want to go back to the App Exchange, because this thing, I will be doing a disservice if I just show it like that. This thing is full with great extensions, integration with other products. You'll find here many names of IBM and non-IBM apps. From, you know, there are 10 pages of that. So, and again, integration with many components. With this, they come with rules, with that, you know, fire offenses with those events, with reports, with sometimes dashboards that takes you directly into one of those particular products. Everybody wants to be here. Everybody wants to have an app for the App Exchange, right? So you can extend your QRadar CE as, you know, as much as you have memory for, and you don't hit the top on the EPSs. You can add your apps in there. But there's one app that I really want you to add. If you look for log source app and hit enter here, you're going to find this particular app. Not this one. This is Barack. I don't know what that is even is. There's so many that I don't know many of them. So I'm going to download this one. And as before, go to the admin tab, extension management. By now you are an expert on doing this, and you add that app. Log source management, open, add, pausing the video, install, pausing again. We are done here. We click OK. We're going to close this. We're going to reload the page, because in here you're going to find another icon in the admin tab, and that replaces this old-fashioned log sources app. And we should have here, yeah, here it is, the log source management that we just added. And this is a beauty. I mean, right now we have very few parsers in here, the squid that we just add, and these are the standard in QRadar. But you can filter them by status, whether they're enabled or not, the log source type, the protocol type. You know, you have all these conditions in here that allows you can search by group. You can search in here. So it's a much friendlier interface for you to be getting familiar with your log sources, and then you don't get to see that message about that other app being deprecated. Hopefully you will not have to go back here ever again. And as a final reminder, remember that in the video description of this video, we put a link that takes you to a box. You go to the second page and you find this list of, there are hundreds of videos that we have created here just for QRadar, and they are grouped by topic, or you can search here in the PDF, which is a lot easier than searching in YouTube. I find very distracting when I search for stuff in YouTube. So here you can find the video that you want. One section that we particularly like, we are very proud of, is this that we put for PSNs. This is some QRadar customers, some IBM engineers and other people have collaborated here. And what the idea of this is to add a pfSense router at home, whether you make it from an old PC or you buy an inexpensive box for a pfSense router. So you improve the security at your home, and you learn the concept of cybersecurity with QRadar CE along. The things that we did in here, adding the pfSense, the Squid proxy, are one of the things that are described in here. Enjoy your QRadar CE.